my channel. Hope you guys are doing okay. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys the wash day whistler that I use for my nieces. And to do that, I invited a special guest. Tell them your name.
Penna Choco.
So I'll be using her natural 4C hair to share the wash day whistler that I use while washing her hair. For today's wash day, the products we'll be using will be from Afro Virtues. This video is not sponsored, by the way. We'll be using their Strawberry Burst Deep Conditioner, which is meant to strengthen, soften, and improve hair and scalp health. Then, for those who are ingredient conscious, the ingredients here are the ionized water, emulsifying wax, shea butter, acalypha extract, and so many other extracts here. And I'm also seeing some interesting ingredients here. We have flaxseed gel, aloe vera gel, olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut milk, coconut oil, tea tree oil, and so many other oils. So far, I haven't seen any ingredients that should raise a red flag, so I think we are good to go. Then I also have their Kids No Freeze Hair Milk Leave-In Conditioner. And the ingredients here are the ionized water, emulsifying wax, calendula extract, chamomile extract, acalypha extract. Then we have the flaxseed gel, aloe vera gel, olive oil, coconut oil. Okay, they seem to be kind of the same thing. They seem to have the same ingredients, I guess. For our shampoo, I didn't get any from Afro Virtues. The shampoo I normally use for them is this Sulfate Kids 2-in-1 conditioning shampoo. Since it says it's a conditioning shampoo, I won't be using this today. Instead, I'll be trying out this Satin Organic Black Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Alright guys, with that being said, let us begin our wash day. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video.
And subscribe.
Oh, thank you. To begin our wash day, I will start by saturating her hair with warm water to open up her cuticles.
Shampoo time.
So normally I don't section her hair while washing it, but she's a little bit too excited for this video. That's why I'm parting it to be able to control the foam and stop it from getting into her eyes.
Time to condition.
So can you perceive that? Ooh.
Smells like ice cream.
It's not ice cream. Don't lick it, give it to me. It's not ice cream. It has this bubblegum fragrance. Please make sure to keep it away from the reach of children. She only mistook it for ice cream. It actually has a really nice fragrance. Keep it away from them so they don't end up ingesting it. The direction says to apply it on freshly washed hair. Focus your concentration on the ends of your hair, then cover with plastic cap and leave it on for 30 minutes. That's what we're going to do right now. So this is the consistency. I like the way it is. It's not too thick, neither is it too runny, so it's going to be easy to apply. As at this time her hair was soft, it made detangling really easy. I really liked the way her hair was soft, so I tried to determine which product made it that way to incorporate it in her wash day. I was unable to do that at this point, but an opportunity came later. So I'm done applying it. I'm just applying some to her edges, just for extra effects. Alright guys, so this is 30 minutes later or more, I think. I just finished washing her younger sister's hair, and I discovered that what made her hair that soft was the deep conditioner. So I wanted to try that experiment while washing her hair. I was going to do the last section to try detangling it without the deep conditioner, but I forgot. So I tried it out on her younger sister's hair, and that was when I discovered that what made her hair that soft was the deep conditioner. And everywhere is smelling of orange, but there's no orange flavor in there. I don't know.
My brain and things that is cold.
Alright guys, so we are done washing our hair. It's time to moisturize. So to complete our wash day and to seal in the moisture, we're going to be using the No Freeze Hair Milk Leave-In Conditioner from Afro Virtues, and the oil I'll be using is the Kuza Indian Hemp Hair and Scalp Treatment. don't know. Let's find out.
Come out.
Oh.
It's still not coming out.
Alright. Okay.
Let's do that.
Oh, that's okay. What is it? Sorry. Probably on your head. So this is how the live-in milk is. It is runny. This is how it came. I hope you guys can see it. Okay. Concentrate. All right. So it's almost the same fragrance as the deep conditioner, but its fragrance is not as strong as that of the deep conditioner. Sorry. So it is at this point that you would appreciate working in sections. Oh, concentrate. Okay. Okay.
It was getting too close.
Yeah. For sealing in your moisture, you can use any type of oil that you have. Oh dear, someone is really tired. Together with paying attention to your edges, you should also pay attention to your ends because they are often the driest.
My hair looks like a well-done hair.
A what?
And a well-done hair.
In a well?
Yes.
What's in a well?
And the well-done was sleeping inside the blind bags. Yes. And we can quite speak peace and tinkers. And we can color change.
You can color change. Okay. Alright guys, we've come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and it was very detailed for you. Does somebody have anything to say?
I love you guys.
Oh, she says she loves you. Then I need you guys to help me solve this, answer this question. So while I was washing her hair, she kept on asking me, what's the name of this girl here? Then when I was washing her younger sister's hair, she asked me, what's the name of this boy? So you guys should help me. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. If you are still not yet subscribed, please kindly do that before you leave. I love you all. Bye bye.